Hello students. Today let us discuss on the topic atmosphere as greenhouse. In this image you can see a model of greenhouse. See the construction of this greenhouse. It is made by making use of glass panes, and inside this glass panes some plants are grown. So what is the peculiarity of a greenhouse that we are going to discuss? This kind of greenhouses are most commonly found in cold countries, and there is a reason for that. Because in cold countries, the plants need sufficient warmth, that is from the sunlight. So this kind of greenhouses help to trap sun's energy inside, and it will keep the plants warm. So the glass panes have the capacity to allow insulation to pass through them and will check the terrestrial radiation. The temperature in the greenhouse is maintained by making use of glass panes. This property of glass panes is utilized in agricultural sectors in cold countries. By preventing terrestrial radiations, temperature required for the growth of plants is retained. Atmosphere act as a greenhouse, and let us discuss about in detail. Here we have already understood that greenhouses has a specific capacity to trap the heat from sunlight. Likewise, atmosphere also has the capacity to check terrestrial radiation. Some of the gases present in the atmosphere can also permit insolation and prevents terrestrial radiation. Some of the gases known as greenhouse gases, which includes carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, etc., and also the water vapor present in the atmosphere, absorb the terrestrial radiation and helps to retain the temperature of the atmosphere. So this phenomenon is called as greenhouse effect, and the gases causing this phenomena are called as greenhouse gases. So, as in a greenhouse, the temperature is retained, and the glass panes have the capacity to trap sun's heat inside the house so that the plants could have enough temperature which is needed for their growth. Likewise, the atmosphere also has the specific capacity to trap the heat of sun and to check terrestrial radiation so that enough heat, that is sun's energy, is provided in the earth. Then only the earth could be made a planet which sustains life. So this particular phenomenon is known as greenhouse effect, and the gases causing this phenomena are called as greenhouse gases. So which are the greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, etc. are greenhouse gases. Greenhouse effect is essential for the existence of life. The uncontrolled increase in greenhouse gases causes rise in temperature in the atmosphere. So it is also a problem, because even though the greenhouse effect is very much needed for our life sustenance on planet Earth, but the excess amount of greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere will make more and more of rise in temperature, and it will cause global warming, and likewise climate change, etc. Sources of greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases reaches the atmosphere mostly through human interventions, and the sources are volcanic eruptions, decay of biological matter, deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, etc. So this kind of pollutions, vehicular emissions, and also uh, cutting down of trees, that is deforestation, etc. are causative factors that increases the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Human activities such as industrial pollution, vehicular pollution, deforestation, etc. leads to large scale emission of carbon dioxide. Global warming. The increase in temperature in the atmosphere due to greenhouse gases is referred to as global warming. Global warming threats. The sea level may rise as a result of melting of polar ice. Destruction in the coastal ecosystem may lead to the problems such as food crisis, large-scale migration, etc. Global warming leads to depletion of many species of plants and animals in the ecosystem. Thank you, students.